for yourself Villa Escudero Resort. Walk through the museum, which houses one of the country's largest private collection of world antiquities. Explore the lush surroundings and paddle a native bamboo raft on still waters of the river. The Labasim Waterfalls restaurant is one of the centerpieces of Villa Escudero. Enjoy the usual Filipino buffet Kamayan style while soaking your feet in the shallow running waters. The Philippine Experience Show showcases the country's rich culture that has been preserved by traditional dances and music. Enjoy the newly operated swimming pool, one pool for children, an infinity pool, and an adult-only pool in this resort.